cajoles. 4, start, 6 cajoles, and then your dance. Got me? Come.
You follow him and see.
I'm going to 3, 4, 1. Turn, 2, 3, take it left. Left to the skin quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, the house, and 1, 2, stop. Again. 5, 6, here we go. 1, up. Open, turn to go. Turn, 2, 3, to the left, left, and take it again. 1, 2, 3, the house. 1, 2, stop there. We're going to hit our hip and then we're going to go high. 1, 2, 1, 2. This goes up. The foot that's up, we're going to go hold on. 1 more. And step on the right foot and reverse it to the left. That much again. 5, 6, here we go. Up, open it up, turn, 2, 3, take it up, and fix the skin. 1, 2, 3, the house, 2, 3, and 1, 2, right, and left, and step, and. Now we're going to go that way. Question, ready? 5, 6, here we go. Up, open, turn, take it left. Pick your skin. 1, 2, 3, 4. House, now you hit, and 1, 2, right, and left, and step. Left, and up, and reverse it to the left. Turn to the left. Take it right, pick it up. 1, 2, 3, the house, 2, 3, hit. Now this is a tricky one, the left hand goes high. 1, 2, foot that's high, you're going to step on. 1, and 2, and step. We're going to go right. Questions? No. Okay. Yes. All right, we're ready, man. Count 4.
Put it on.
Ulupalakua, niki niki ahia, kaholea kupaniolo. Kalana mai nei, Ulupalakua, niki niki ahia, kaholea kupaniolo.
Don't be gentle with that. What it means is that the wind is cold and pricks your skin. So pick it. Pick it. Yeah, pick it.
Not soft.
Not pick it. Cold and prickly.
Pick it. We're like, okay, let's do it again.
Ulupalakua, niki niki ahia, kaholea kupaniolo. Kalana mai nei, Ulupalakua, niki niki ahia, kaholea kupaniolo. le aku